My order from K Hair has just arrived. I ordered hair from Maeve, and I got my bundles this morning and my clothes. Wow, look at that. The hair is beautiful. As you can see, the hair is silky and it's just quality hair. Look at that. I am so happy with my order. I cannot wait to start selling this hair, and I'm sure my customers will also love it and it will sell really well. I can't actually wait to put in my second order of hair. Just look at the quality, look at the closure, look at the pre-plucked. Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you so much, K Hair. Thank you, Maeve. I cannot wait to start selling, and it was nice doing business with you. Let's carry on with this business arrangement. Thank you so much.